Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to make slow motion video on Vivo phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video here. Firstly, you have to open the camera. After you have been open the camera, you can see this is the camera. So that you just scroll on this side and here is the more option. Then you can see here is the slow mo option, the second option here on this line. Okay, move on this slow mo. When you move on, just click on this red button and try to make the video. Okay, I just make the video. You can see I'm making the video. Okay, so now let's play the video. Okay, so you can see friends, here's the video. Let's play it. See friends, this is a slow motion video. You can make easily the slow motion video on mobile phone camera. Okay, and friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, you can see this, it's moved so slowly. I was moving so fast but it's moved so slowly, right? So friends, thanks for watching. Bye.